Need a spice rack? Well, to make your own spice rack, you'll need wood, glue, a hammer, and nails. And of course, have your spice jars handy so you know how big your spice rack needs to be. Be careful with the pepper jar. Pepper makes you sneeze. Gather up your materials. First thing you need to do is to glue all the edges of your spice rack. Mind that pepper. If you spill a little glue, just remove objects that might get stuck. This may take some time. And there we have it, your finished spice rack. All you need to do now is put your spices on the spice rack. Job done.